Hi everybody and welcome back to another video on Plannerzoid. And in today's video, I will be doing a micro spread, plan with me, decorative planning, the usual. So I would love for you guys to stay tuned until you see my spread because I think it's going to be so adorable. So lately I have been really feeling nautical, summery, ocean, whatever. I've been feeling that kind of feel. So a lot of my spreads have been reflecting sand and beaches and pools and water and just summer. So I want to do another summer spread, but this one is going to be nautical. And I got this sticker sheet from Michael's, the Recollections. And I don't know, I like the combination of stickers in this pack. So I will be trying to use as many stickers as I can from this sheet and put it in my spread. The paper that I'm using is from a summer paper pad from Michael's. Unfortunately, I don't know which one, but it's from a summer paper pad. If it's not Michael's, it's Joann's. It's one of those places. So just wanted to share where I got this paper from. I believe it's Park Lane, actually. So that's Joann's. So now that I have my paper, I am first going to probably start with using some of these stickers. So I'm not sure which one I want to start with first because I like this one a lot and it can fit, but I feel like I would have to hole punch through it and I don't want to do that. So I think I'm gonna have to start with the boxes first. I'm gonna start with these first. So these are made by me. They're just some foiled sticker sheets and I just got into foiling. So I've been making so many colors. I'm so excited. And I can't wait to do a video on the ink machine I got. I'm just playing with it a little bit first and then I'm probably gonna try to do a solid review on it. I know it's old and everything, but I'm new to it, so I'm still going to review it on my channel. For some reason, this blue color really stands out to me, and I want to make sure I show a lot of that color in this spread. But because the background paper is also blue, I want to make sure I use a lot of the yellows that I see too. I have no idea what I'm going for here, but I do know I'm going for something. I want the spread to be functional so that I have room to write a lot of stuff. So I will be using quite a bit of box stickers, but I really want to try to reflect a lot of the stickers from here too. I really like this sunshine sticker, so I think I'm going to cover that. Yeah, that's cute so far. I like it. And then I'm probably going to, I like this one. Is that over here? How cute is that? That is so cute. I don't know if, I don't know. Like I have so many stickers that I can combine, but I also want to make sure I add the functionality. So I'm gonna put a couple more box stickers on first. And then you probably won't see it on this video because I forgot to grab them. But I do have some number stickers that I created that I'm also gonna put as well. And then of course the day of the week, I'm gonna do that obviously off camera because I totally forgot to grab those stickers. We need some daily gratitude, so let's get that sticker. And how cute is that? Look at the foil. This one is the holographic foil. So this one is just like the regular foil, like it's just one color. But I don't know if you can see it. I hope you can't because it's pretty in person. But this one is like a rainbow holo, but it's still like orange. The base color is orange. So I did like get some, I think it's called deco foil. Y'all, I'm still learning, but I think it's called deco foil. And that's what I use to foil these, if you want to know. And I have a ink machine, which I will show in a future video. I feel like I have yellow over here. So let's try to add some blue over here. Oh, that definitely gives like nautical, because one thing I remember with the whole nautical stuff, when I think of nautical, I think of anchors, but I also think of arrows. So I like how this arrow is going this way and the other one is going the opposite way. So I'm probably going to try to add another one going a different way again. Like this one is cute. I'm gonna put it over here. Then I'm gonna add a couple of starfish. And then I think I'm gonna take the anchors and probably put it over here. When I do my planner spreads, I try to go for some kind of symmetry and uniformity. So I don't know. I try to do my spreads in a very curated way. Obviously you don't have to, but I like to. I like to have some kind of symmetry. Like, it's so weird. So most of the spreads I do are themed spreads. And if you want, I'm probably going to attach it at the end if I can. I'm going to attach an old video of me showing the different kinds of planner spreads that you can do, especially in your micro. So I will let you know. Hopefully I can attach it. I don't know if I can attach older videos. I might do an updated one, but I feel like I need more orange. I think I want to add a round sticker over here too. Yeah, so now it's like both round. That's cute. Let me add the anchors. Oh, that's so cute. Okay, perfect. And then let me add this one. I might put it on this page. I don't know yet. Hold on. Because I don't want it in the way. Hold on. Let me get my tweezers. Because sometimes my big old meaty fingers are in the way. So tweezers sometimes help me see the placement a little bit better. I kind of like it there, but I don't want it in the way of where I'm writing. I could do it here. I like overlapping stickers. I could also do it here, but once again, it'll get in the way. I kind of like it here, right? I kind of like it here. I'm going to put it right there instead. Yep. And then I still want to overlap the stickers because I like how that looks. I'm going to take this cute compass, and look, it's foiled. And I think I'm gonna, oh, I kind of don't like those two circles right there. I'm gonna put it here. I don't know why that bothers me, but it does. So what I think I'm gonna do is probably take the shell instead because it's foiled as well. Foil, and then, because it still looks like an arrow. Yeah, I think that's cute. I like how it looks overlapping. And I do want to use this shell. And that's probably gonna have to be it. The rest of the stickers are pretty big, and I don't want it to cover where I'm going to write too much, so I'm going to leave it at that. I did not realize until now, but I totally forgot to keep room for my day of the week and the date. But that's okay because I can probably still like put it somewhere. Like the date can probably go right here or something. I can figure it out. But regardless, this is my spread, and I think it looks so adorable. So I'm going to go ahead and add it in the planner. I also forgot to use washi tape. I guess I was so focused on using as many stickers as I could. So, okay, let's add it in my micro and see how it looks. Oh my goodness, it looks so adorable. I love this. My favorite part is the foil. Okay, awesome. So now that it's finished, you guys know that I'm going to do a montage so you can see it up close. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and let me know down below what you think of this spread because it is so cute. It is so adorable. Do you love Nautical like I do? Let me know. And don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned for future videos because I got many more super cute planner spreads coming for the summer.